There are two techniques from Katate, Tori, Hantai. Ikkyo is the first control. You saw me do that. The second one is Nikyo. Ikkyo is the first control. Nikyo is the second control. From Katate, Tori, Hantai. Very important. The first thing I do is slightly just put my hand on his. I don't grab it because then that tells his mind that I'm fighting him and he goes into defensive mode himself. Instead, I just touch it. I step offline myself. I don't want to get punched in the face. Bam! So instead, I come over here. Now the way I do Nikyo is as I step up, I see a lot of people do it like this or like this. I follow the curve of the arm right here, keep my fingers very low to the arm, come over and relax and into his body. A mistake that's made is people get to this point and they grab the wrist and try to push him down. And if he's stronger than they are, this will never work. Worse, it puts him in a position to counter this by putting his own hand and putting me into Nikyo. So instead, I stay relaxed and imagine there's like a 200-pound weight attached to my finger and it just drops down just like this. Side step, control the hand, drop down. There are two ways to do this also. Well, probably more than two ways, but two ways I'm going to discuss. I can bring the energy back into my center, watch his body right here. If I want, I can come over and do something to him from here. That's not on the test criteria though. Just like this, or I can extend into him. From here, that moves him away from me. For this technique, I like to bring him in close to me because now I'm going to do the Ikkyo move, drop down from here, and then pin. And I'll go into the pin in detail in the next section.